Check out this butte. This is a 1991 Kawasaki SC Sport Cruiser, Spine Crusher. It's got a bunch of nicknames. Super Chicken. It's missing a couple things. Let's see if I can get this open. Carburetor's coming. Looks to be pretty much complete besides the carburetor. Somebody took off the exhaust manifold for some reason. Figure out why that is. Everything else seems to be there. Clean it up, see how she looks. Super Chicken Day 2. Just started opening this up and I realized I guess the ignition module, whatever they got going, the CDI, I don't know what it's called in this Super Chicken, but there's some electronics missing. I just put the jumper box on to see if the engine turned over, so I took the plugs out, put a little bit of oil in there. I do have the carb. Previous owner has it. I'm gonna grab it today. But as soon as I give it power, ordered the whole CDI box off of eBay. I was missing, it was pretty much hollowed out. All it has was the starter and battery cable going through. So use the new box and just use the old battery cables to go to it. And I'm just about done. I want to check if there's spark now, and then once I confirm that, then I'll work on putting the carburetor in and get some other stuff done. The shaft seal's already in. I just haven't put the bolts in. Previous owner started removing the shaft seal and didn't hold on to the bolts. I guess that's when they quit, was when they figured out they had to take off the bolts to the engine mounts. So anyway, getting there. Pulling off this seat cover, what's left of it. It's glued and stapled, so that makes it fun. I have to fix some of the foam, obviously. A lot of staples left in here I'll have to take out. Watch this magic eraser work. Got it pretty much cleaned up. Took the vinyl letters off, the old ones. Used one of those rubber eraser wheels to get it off. It's hard, brittle, pain in the butt. I'm leaving this part on there because the new graphics are just going to cover it. Be a pain in the butt to take it off, but this side looks a lot better. So now I'm going to work on recovering the seat. Starting to get the seat on. Gonna take a bit of stretching. Should look good. She is pretty much all done. Still got a couple odds and ends to do. Still missing an oil reservoir cap.